Today, I'm taking you for a coffee at Café La Métropole for a relaxing and historical break. We are a few meters from the station, at 111 Joan of Arc Street, and I chose this place because two famous writers of French literature used to drink a coffee there in the 1930s, Simone de Beauvoir and Jean-Paul Sartre. This café, designed by the architect Eddie de Villette, opened its doors in December 1932. Inside this café, in Art Deco style, you can see the busts of Simone and Jean-Paul. But how did Simone de Beauvoir and Jean-Paul Sartre end up in Rouen? Jean-Paul Sartre and Simone de Beauvoir obtained their aggregation of philosophy the same year, in 1929. Him, in the best place, it was his second attempt, and her, in the second. After his military service, in March 1931, Jean-Paul Sartre found himself, against his will, appointed to Le Havre, to the current lycée Francois I. He proposed to Simone de Beauvoir to marry him so that she could leave her post in Marseille and join him. She refused but obtained her transfer shortly afterwards to Rouen. This is how this café gradually became a meeting place for this couple of writers. So, if you too want to put yourself in the shoes of these two writers, well, choose a table, sit down and enjoy.